Welcome to our episode 4 of our Growing Season podcast. This is Jen and I will be your host for today. So, in this episode, we are going to talk about your talents and skills. If you are watching in YouTube, do not forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And if you are watching on TikTok and on Facebook, please follow my page, Growing Season with Jen. So, Growing Season with Jen podcast. So, for today, we are going to, this is just very casual. I know that some of the podcasts that I've seen grabe kay good ka formal, but I think I cannot do that because my personality is not that too formal man pod. When it comes to my personality, I just wanted to be very casual. Okay. If formal pod kayo kay stiff ra kayo ko, so I'm just going to try nga very simple lang, chill lang. So for this morning, I will share to you na ako i-share sa inyo katong I joined a recollection before, and then ganong na ako po ding naisip kay ako nakita nga video sa Facebook, di na ako makitag asa na to kay na scroll ra po na ako siya, and then the person said like mas okay daw kuno sa iyaha if tawgon siya sa ubang tao nga bida-bida kesa tawgon siya sa tao nga ginabuhat. Murag ana ba? Nga na yung point niya. Okay na yun sa akin. Sabi niya, okay na sa akin na ako yung tinatawag na bida-bida kesa sa ako yung tawagin ng mga tao na walang ambag. Parang ganun yung words niya. Hindi ko lang makita kung nasa na yun eh. Pero, and one of the na-reflect na ko ato ba kay ganahan ko sa yung words nga, yeah, I think okay lang for us to be called bida-bida rather than being called na walang ginagawa, walang ambag. Kasi I joined a recollection before, and then one of our sinong nagbigay ng yun na nagbibigay ng recollection, yung head namin, sabi niya, it is an insult to the giver of your talent and skills if you are not going to use it. 'Di ba? Kasi meron din akong kakilala dati na sabi niya, kasi dati ako very very showy din ako sa skills and talents ko. OA ako talaga kapag may hosting, nag-host talaga ako. Okay lang sa akin kapag someone would ask me, "Oy, can you host?" Yung parang ganun. Ako talaga, okay, yes, go, okay lang. Kapag nag-host naman ako, tinatry ko talaga yung best ko na pinapakita ko na I also have the talent to host. So, parang ganun. And then, dumating sa point na parang, of course, all of the hostings doon sa place na yon, ako na yung nag-host. Tapos, biglang may nagsabi sa akin na, alam mo ikaw, sabi niya, kanang makapuyog ka ana, kay imuha na lang tanan hosting, siya. Makapuyog ka ana, kay kuan, ipakita mo gud nimo imuhang talent, siya. And then she said like, ako gani, dili ko gasaba nga kanang na ako'y talent sa singing, dili jud nako gipakita nga na ako'y talent sa singing kay para dili ko suguon or dili daw kuno siya itap para mag-sing, something like that. So, ato nga time, and then I heard pod other people telling na okay lang daw, siya nga, okay lang daw na magpabugo-bugo na lang to kay para dili ta suguon, something nga na. And then of course, I think I do understand as well why it happened because naamanggoy mga tendency, especially in the workplace, na pag ipakita niyo mo imong talent, you are good in this, you are good in that, lahat na lang ng trabaho ibibigay sa'yo kasi ikaw yung may alam, ikaw yung may talent, ikaw yung may skill na ganyan. And I think as I reflect on that, 'di ba? If I'm going to show my skills and talents and then ma-burn out na dahil gihapon ko, 'di ba kanang I know that it is an insult to the giver. And it was the Lord, and I am so happy with the skills that I have. Anak ko, if ipakita na ko and then ma-burn out ko, what should I do? 'Di ba? Diha na din mo gawas ang unsa may angay na akong buhaton. Kay kung dili na ko ipakita, it would be an insult to the giver. Pero kung ipakita sad nako, ako pod ang kumbaga agrabyado. And I think the wisdom to that is diha na mo gawas dayon ang your ability to say no. Hindi naman lahat kailangan yes ka na. Kasi kahit alam mo na may skills ka, na may talents ka, Pero ang dami-dami mo nang ginagawa, dito nalalabas yung you show your skills, you show your talents, you use your skills and talents, but have some boundaries. Alam mo kung kailan ka magsisay no. Kaya lang naman kasi tayo na burn out kasi hindi natin alam mag-say no. Yung parang kapag ka binigay na sa'yo lahat, yes ka na lang ng yes, 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 yes. Kasi of course, others are shy to say no. Others are also afraid na mag-say no. And this time, the skill to say no is something that you have to learn as well. It's so good, and it's okay to show your skills and talents, all the things that you have that God given to you. Use it, nurture it, use your potential. But then again, you have to maybe the skill that you need also to really learn is the ability to say no. Rather than wala, hindi mo na lang gagamitin kasi natatakot ka na bibigyan ka ng maraming trabaho. Yung sasabihin mo na lang na, magpabugo-bugo na lang ko kay para dili ko tagaan og job. 'Di ba? Dili na ko ipakita akong skill and talent. Dili na ko gamiton akong skill and talent kay para dili ko itap, dili ko itap ang hosting, dili ko ipatap mag-sing, mag-play, everything. But show it, show what you can do, show your skills, show your talents, but have some boundaries. Allow yourself, if na kay mga skill to do all of these things, develop the skill as well to say no. Kung feeling ni mga ma'am, dili na jud nako na kaya ma'am, kay murag daghan na gid ka ko ginabuhat ani, napakuingan ni nakuingan ana. Dili na gid kaya sa akong energy. And I pray that kanang heads also know, leaders, supervisors, managers, if you can see that that person is already burned out, kidaghan na kay siya ginabuhat, ayaw pudhan saki sa tanang trabaho, kay iyahan na lang pud tanan just because he or she is showing her skills and talents. You have to be balanced as well. Kung asa ninyo ginahatag ang mga trabaho, if this person is doing all the tasks already, maybe we have to divide it well to some other colleagues and kanang friends, no? Kung na kay other nga mga colleagues, and top them, dili kay just because siya ang naay talent and siya ang naay skill, kay siya na lang po dayon tanan. Maybe it's time for us to really look into kuan ba, balance, nga tagaan nato tanan og tasks, na making sure that dili tanan kay iyaha just because this person is showing his or her skills and talents, kasi diha gid pud mawala, mapalong gid na ang person. So I think this is just a take, no, that is really an insult to the giver of our talents if we are not going to use them and nurture them. We nurture them, okay? But then again, just like what I said, just like what I mentioned, maybe it's time for us to also develop the skill of saying no and have some boundaries. Okay? So, ano lang, ayaw pagpakuan nga magpabugo-bugo na lang ka. Kay sayang imong talento nga dili na nimo ma-nurture, kay imo lang gitago, kay mahadlok ka tagaan og daghang trabaho. And I think that's understandable, and I do understand your reason for that. Nakasabot kayo ko nga, ma'am, dili na lang nako ipakita akong talent, ma'am, oy, kay tanan din trabaho kay nana sa ako, di ba? But maybe this time, I'm telling you, show it. Develop your skill and talent, but develop also the skill to say no. If dili na gid kaya, be honest, ma'am, dili gid nako na kaya, kay aside sa dili ko kabalo ani nga part, daghan na kay ko gibuhat ani nga kuan, daghan na kay ko dili na kaya sa akong time, sa ako ang energy as well. Maybe we can tap others, maybe we can ask help from other people to do that thing. So that's a wisdom that you have to really learn. So, before man God, we are so afraid of saying no because makadlok ta masuko sa ato. But you know, you just have to be very honest and just decline properly. Oh, ma'am, kasabot ko. And sometimes it's a very good thing to say like this, ma'am, I am so happy that hunahunaan ko nimo nga ako imong ipabuhat ana because you believe that I have the skill and the talent. But ma'am, I am so sorry, I will decline kay kanang dili nako na makaya, kay naapa ko ingon ani, naapa ko ingon ana. So just speak properly. Dili lang gid kani, ako na pod, ayo lang pod. So you just have to be very professional in declining. And start it with thank you. Thank you, ma'am. Kay nakita nimo akong skill, ana. Thank you, ma'am. Kay nagsaligid ka nga, kabalo ko, ana, kaya na nako. And yeah, I know, kaya na nako, ma'am. Pero but this time, I can't do that. Why? I'm doing this. Napa ko ingon ani, ma'am. Napa ko ginabuhat sa ingon ani. Especially if itagana kay daghan nga task. Decline properly. Just decline properly. There's nothing wrong of declining. Just decline properly and you take care of yourself. Saying no is also a form of self-care. Kabalo man jud ka sa imong capacity. You know you can do all of those things, but that doesn't mean na kukunin mo lang din lahat. 'Di ba? So, use your talent, you nurture your skills, you show your skills, ayaw nag-itago, but then again, develop the skill of saying no. Bye!